is good, y'all? Got a trade plan out. Hopefully, can get a flush to 50. Let's see. From that advanced market structure shift. And I don't know why my computer's freezing up on me. I don't know what's going. There we go. And we get out right there. That's enough for me. I'm not gonna go crazy. So we'll go over that beautiful 9:30 opening. Let's see. Today we have made $3,000 in the funded account. Got our 50 points. That was a beautiful flush down, you guys. Beautiful price action. So let's break it down. 9:30 opening was right on the dot. Let's see, 9:30. Okay, that blue line represents the 9:30 opening. Actually, let's take that off. That looks messy. Let me get off the instant buys before I accidentally buy or sell something. In the morning at 9:30, you need to be very careful. You need to be in, you need to be out. So that's why I do the instant buy orders. So, what do we have here? Right here is where the inversion occurs. We'll make it orange. Okay, this is where our advanced market structure shift occurs. Let's go trend line, take that off. I mean, either one, you can probably do this, would have been fine. Okay, right there. Now, in a move like this, that's why I did instant buy or sell orders because it happens quick, man. So there's not going to be some retracement. It's you're either in or you're out. And before this move up, right here, we had this move up. Right here, we had a move down. We did get somewhat of an inversion, but it was a messy one. That should signify to you that price is not going to push for that 50 points or more. Okay, there was actually a signal before that on the upside, but I didn't want to take it because you never know when you get up here and unless you take out this high. That's a good play right here. You had an inversion, I believe right here to the upside, and advanced market structure shift roughly around here, but it's not enough to play, man. I mean, unless you let it run for a little bit, but then when you get into this higher time frame point of interest, this is just a PD array on the daily time frame that we tap into. You're gonna have that explosive move, and do you really want to be in this trade? Unless you move your stop up to break even or something like that, or for a tight loss. But this was the bigger play. It was a nicer one. Could have let it run, but in the morning when it's very volatile like that, I like to get in and out. My internet connection was acting up, so I was like, nah, I ain't even gonna mess with it. Get my 50 points, I'm out. And I made a nice chunk of change. So let's explain it. We tap into this higher time frame PD array. Let's add some text to this. Higher time frame POI tapped. Go like that. In two. Make that gray. Two, we get our inversion. That's our entry. Well, I waited for the market structure shift, but you could enter in at the inversion. It was essentially the same thing because when we closed, our inversion gave, or when we closed this third candle, it also closed over the advanced market structure shift. So, like I said, 9:30 move like this, you kind of got to be in, and as soon as you get that close, place your entry. Inversion, entry, if you can be quick enough, make that orange. These are just our typical steps. 3, stop loss at high or end, high or low. We'll put stop loss at the high. and I'll explain that to you guys. That red. Four is our advanced market structure shift, add or late entry. Pretty much where I got in. One sec, you guys. Okay, sorry about that, you guys. Girl gave me some coffee. Okay, so we get our advanced market structure shift, and we get our take profit for 50 points plus TP plus 50 points, and we'll turn that green. So nice, 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 nice. And for the rest of the day, I'm lowering my leverage if I decide to trade, and I'm just going to take, you know, I'm just going to take very safe, conservative trades with low leverage. Already made 3,000 today, so it's not good. And I just started this account, I believe, last night. So it's pretty dope, man. I like my funded futures, and one day you can pass. And I got the expert account because I had the starters with the other funded accounts, and I don't like how it kind of limits you on how much you can make. That's really annoying. But let's put our take profit signal. I mean, this is not gonna. This is gonna be more than 50, you guys. I'm just gonna show you a good low hanging fruit you could aim for, but clearly hit the 50 points there. Put some more text. Points. Oops. Do a little bit bigger. Alright, so yeah, I will be coming with the breakdown. That was more for evidence so you can see the live trade and execution. So let's go over one more time. We work up. Okay, we hit this higher time frame POI. We get an inversion right here. Okay, and we also get the advanced market structure shift. As soon as we close over that yellow line, boom, we're in, baby. And this was nice because both of them were placed closely together. Um, I would put my stop in this scenario if you're leveraged heavily, especially right here at the end of the gap. Okay, if you're using micros, you could put the stop at the high, but that's if you're using micros. I would not use that if you're trading the NQ unless you got some stupid capital. But if you're using like a mini, just put your stop at the gap, and it shouldn't wick back. It might wick into it, but it shouldn't touch the top or bottom, vice versa, of the gap. And then boom, you get that nice run. You had little to no drawdown, even if you entered here. I've been like 15 points. So yeah, nice trade, beautiful. That was absolutely stunning. This is HB Punch and Profit. Comment down below, like the video, subscribe if you're new. Peace.